Hey, don't adjust the channel. You rocking with your boy Blade. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action-packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart, but we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama. Man, so this vlog is not gonna be just one of them uplifting vlogs, but this is just the reality of restoring cars, and especially when you know, when you're not working on your personal car, and you don't never know what life's gonna throw at you. You know what I mean? Like I done been working on cars, and I had to get them to a point, then I had to stop, and then get some money, and then do it again, or whatever. But yeah, man. So on this one, I called in my girl uncle. He came, looked over the vehicle, told me why the car needs mechanically wrong, and yeah, man. So the customer, we pulling the plug on it, man. But it is what it is, man. Y'all just stay tuned to this one. Yes, sir. Yeah. So the powder weather stripping back on it. Just trying to get everything bagged and tagged to make sure everything that I took off this car is back with the car. I got the seat belts and stuff. I'm gonna reinstall these. This goes on the floor. I reinstall all of them, making sure that all the weather stripping is good. He got his floors done. We didn't get to the front windshield, but we did do the back windshield. It's all sealed up and everything. So as y'all can see, it's all sealed. Just trying to make sure everything watertight and putting his vents back on. This car still got a long ways to go, but I put that urethane on there, just on that weather stripping, to make sure that it's tight, like it's pretty good. Put that on there yesterday, but yeah, man. We'll see how long it takes for him to come get it. I think I got to get it towed out of here because it just needed a lot of work, and it's a little at a time, man. So hopefully he'll be bringing it back here soon, get the rest of the work done. However it goes, but yeah, that's just how it goes, man. So as y'all can see, still need a lot of work. I started finding the parts. The parts are really hard to locate. I found a good tailgate. I found some hoods. They told me that the hood from the Malibu will fit on this one, so I got that. Well, I found people that had them. I think the hood was like 150. I think the tailgate was like 150, but they was all the way in Dallas. So it's gonna be a while if I can go out there and get it. But the customer just told me, man, he had a family emergency and he had to stop doing what he was doing, start over. So well, he just got to pull the plug, and we'll get back to it once he had a better moment in life. So yep, that's how I go. Got it up and running, just put some gas in there. Nothing too major. Yeah, I mean, it's idling on its own. I power washed everything pretty good, just to get started, I guess. Let me see. That bottom was disgusting. Got some in it. got some of that gunk and stuff from up under there. I'm gonna pull the rest of these clips. Man, so many daggone clips on this car. But yeah, man. Man, that thing wobbling like a mug, boy. Like any morning now, it might just come loose. Because I thought it was just this compressor.
That's the power steering pump.
So you say on this right here, the electric choke?
Yeah, this is electronic choke. And you advance it, then it opens up your butterfly. That's more air intake. That gives you a gas and air mixture for the engine to burn. When it closes like this here faucet, you're running too rich. You can go back there in the back, you see black smoke, and you can smell it.
So man, been leaking. Found out it's the transmission dipstick. It's leaking on the floor.
Make a note that you need to ground this block to this firewall. It's not grounded.
Was not grounded?
The engine is not grounded to the body of the car. I'm looking at the ground hanging down right here.
Yeah, this thing is a wiring nightmare. If you look inside the when I was doing the welding and stuff, one of them wires that hit the ground and sparked, like did an arc, and I'm like, oh hell no.
Oh, it was hot then.
Yeah, I just tucked it up because I was sitting back and I'm like, man, if it's always been this way, you know what I mean?
Get your transmission mount.
Transmission mount. Bring all this stuff down. It's a list on top of a list on top of a list, man. But you gotta keep it. Transmission mount.
Yeah.
Man, you can tell they trying to get it right, but it's just whoever been telling them wrong though. Cause there ain't no need to have that much damn carburetor on this car.
So did it. Not unless he gonna do some racing. Well, he still got it all set up anyway. He needs to change the cam and all that. That thing is dumping a lot of gas. And this motor ain't burning it.
Yeah, that don't look good at all. Got the cap off.
This should be white. Yeah.
Or at least be a little, at least be,
it should be about this color.
Shiny.
Yeah. That diode should be like gray looking.
Okay.
And here, that low down, that distributor cap, that need to be changed.
Makes it ain't getting the spark how it needs
Right,
to.
this here, that's your coil.
Okay. Cause then I remember it's like a rotary button cap.
Uh-huh.
Then it's a spring sitting up under the cap.
Rotary here.
Mm-hmm.
And
then the cap on top.
Yeah, and it's the
coil
coil sits on top of the cap.
Okay.
That's what this here go to the coil. That'll be this thing here.
Yeah, you say you trying to find when one is raised.
Yeah, when number one's up, I want to see what this rotary. This rotary should be sitting facing number one.
Mm-hmm. There it is, man. Y'all hear what I'm saying, man? I say they hear what you're saying, up.
Oh, they hear what I'm saying.
You smoking this bitch out, man. They gonna call the OSHA folks on me. Ooh, them environmentalists don't like that.
It's been sitting, how long?
I don't know. Years, I believe.
Well, it's doing good.
I don't think they even drove it in many years. Maybe around the corner type of stuff, but
yeah, they ain't put it on the highway.
Yeah.